Now let's come to the actinide hypothesis. So for the discovery and investigation of 10 elements, transuranium, sorry. So for the discovery and investigation of 10 transuranium elements, Professor Seaborg earned a share of the 1951 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. Now what is this? So at the early days, thorium, protactinium and uranium were mistakenly placed in group 4b. Now let's talk about the actinide hypothesis. So for the discovery and investigation of 10 transuranium elements, Professor Seaborg has earned a share of the 1951 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. Now what is this? So at the early days, thorium, protactinium and uranium were mistakenly placed in group 4b, group 5b and group 6b respectively in D block. So in 1944, Seaborg pointed out this incorrect assignment and he proposed these elements to be the members of a new inner transition series analogues to the lanthanides. So this new inner transition series was described as actinides in his famous actinide hypothesis. So at that time, Seaborg was strongly criticized and warned not to publish his actinide hypothesis because it would destroy his scientific career. So see, this thing sometimes happens that if you want to publish something, if you are arguing something, so you will be criticized. The other people who are more knowledgeable or who know more in their field, they will think that you are making a mistake. The same thing happened with the Seaborg. So everyone warned him that don't say that there are something like called actinides or there are some different groups. Don't dare to publish these things. It will ruin your scientific career. So sometime later, after publishing that, so he narrated the event humorously as I didn't have any scientific reputation, so I published it anyway. So this is the greatness of great scientists that you believe in yourself, what you are doing, and ultimately, even in the long form of periodic table, you can see these actinides below these lanthanides. So he was right actually, but at that time, people criticized him. So he used to make a humor about that, and he used to say that I didn't have any scientific reputation, so I published it anyway. The actinide hypothesis saved the chemistry from a wrong direction. Seaborg and his group had synthesized many elements of the second inner transition series, that is actinides. Hey genius, I hope you liked the video and the concepts are clear. So if you want to know more and if you want to learn more, you can go and check the periodic table and periodic trends folder. I have already uploaded 7 lectures on this topic. Please go and watch all those 7 lectures. I hope it will be very useful for you. And if you think these videos are knowledgeable, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.